get regular videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us.
Welcome to our advanced facility, where we transform raw bison fiber into the world's most exclusive luxury winter wear.
This is where tradition meets innovation. Our state-of-the-art facility processes raw bison fiber.
Our process begins on the open plains, sourcing fiber from herds raised with the highest standards of animal welfare. Every animal undergoes rigorous health checks to ensure the fiber we collect is of the highest biological quality.
We utilize gentle, non-invasive collection methods to gather the naturally shed winter undercoat.
From the ranch, the raw fiber is transported in climate-controlled units to our high-tech processing plant. Upon arrival, each bale is logged into our digital inventory system for full traceability.
Scouring removes natural oils, dirt, and dust in a multi-stage, eco-conscious washing process.
Final rinsing and conditioning ensure the fibers are soft, clean, and ready for mechanical refinement.
Our low-temperature drying process protects the structural integrity of the delicate bison down. Dehairing is the most critical stage, separating the coarse outer hair to reveal the ultra-fine luxury down. These hairs are too rough for clothing. They will be repurposed for industrial felting or insulation. Blending ensures that every strand of yarn produced will have consistent color, strength, and hand feel.
Carding begins the process of transformation, aligning millions of chaotic fibers into a singular, cohesive web.
As the web is condensed into slivers, the material begins to take the shape required for precision spinning. Drawing frames merge multiple slivers to ensure total uniformity and peak fiber alignment.
In the roving stage, the fiber receives its first twist, gaining the strength needed for final spinning.
Ring spinning transforms the roving into our signature yarn, balancing extreme fineness with structural durability. Electronic clearers scan every millimeter of yarn, ensuring zero defects in the final textile. Plying adds strength and volume, creating a balanced yarn that resists pilling and stretching. Thermal conditioning sets the twist in the yarn, preventing kinks and ensuring a smooth weave later on. Warping organizes thousands of individual strands into a single, massive sheet of yarn ready for the loom. Setting up the loom is a feat of engineering, aligning thousands of strands to within a fraction of a millimeter.
Our high-speed looms weave the bison yarn into a dense, thermal fabric that is both lightweight and incredibly warm.
For base layers and flexible wear, our circular knitting machines create seamless, high-performance textiles.
Fulling and scouring stabilize the fabric, interlocking the fibers for a dense, wind-resistant finish.
Center dries the fabric to the perfect width, ensuring it remains dimensionally stable for a lifetime of wear.
Snapping raises the fine fibers of the bison down, creating a luxurious, heat-trapping fleece texture.
The hooks, resembling miniature Velcro, carefully lift the mocha brown fibers without causing any breakage.
In our final inspection, advanced vision systems scan every roll to ensure only flawless fabric enters the cutting room. Preparation for tailoring begins with automated spreading, layering the fabric for high-precision volume cutting. Laser cutting ensures surgical accuracy, sealing the edges of the bison wool to prevent future wear.
The high-power CNC laser slices through the thick layers of bison wool, its bright blue beam moving with incredible speed and precision. Each cut panel is digitally tracked and sorted, ensuring every garment is assembled with perfect batch consistency.
For maximum durability and weather resistance, we employ ultrasonic welding to create seamless, impenetrable bonds.
Luxury meets performance, as our liners are precision quilted to provide optimal thermal insulation.
Custom-engineered hardware is installed using heavy-duty industrial presses for lifelong reliability. The final mark of quality is our gold thread embroidery, a symbol of authentic bison wool craftsmanship. Robotic steam shaping sets the final silhouette, ensuring a perfect fit and a flawless appearance. Our final quality audit is uncompromising, with each piece hand-inspected for absolute perfection. Precision folding and protective wrapping preserve the garment's structure until it reaches its final owner.
From raw fur to luxury wear, our automated system handles the delicate bison wool with utmost care, ensuring perfect presentation. Every garment is uniquely identified, ensuring full traceability back to the original bison herd.
Automation takes over for final storage, organizing our finished collections for global distribution.
full automated warehouse ensures that every bison wool masterpiece is stored in a climate-controlled environment.
From the wild plains to the cutting edge of fashion, this is the future of luxury, built on the strength of the bison.